Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get rid of table lines in Google Docs. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Docs, just click on the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, removing table lines in Google Doc can make your document look cleaner and more professional, especially if you have a lot of tables or if your document contains complex formatting, because without table lines, it can be easier for readers to focus on the content of the table itself rather than being distracted by the grid lines. Now, let's try to remove that using a blank document. And let's rename the files for now as it is and insert an image. Okay, once we're here, I'm going to insert some table, all right? And for now, I'm going to be choosing 2x2 for now, all right? And I'm going to put something like maybe this. As you can see, if you wanted to remove the table lines right here, there are two options for you to do it. Number one is just highlight the entire document data. And from here, click on the ellipsis option right here. Once the data is selected, click on the more options again and click on this border width and click on 0. As you can see, the table lines are gone. Now let's do it again. The next option that you have is select again the entire data. Click on this drop down menu. And from here you can see these borders. Click on it. Okay, and say for example this one. Go to format, go to table. Go to table properties. And from here just click on the table and the column. There's a lot of options that you can do from here. Just go to the table border, click on the as you can see, there's also option for to go to 0 and you don't have any more borders. Now, what if you just wanted to get rid of the table lines at the bottom? All right, it's easy. Highlight that again, go to the more options right here. It's the same process, click on the 0. Right, it's the same process again for at the very top. All you have to do is just click here and go to 0. Okay, and I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.